let me start with the intro. So what is step functions? Okay, so the AWS Step Function is a service provided by AWS that makes it easier to orchestrate multiple AWS services to accomplish the task. Okay, so what we can say, it is a service orchestration. For example, in the previous video, okay, I explained you about Lambda, right? Now suppose if you have 3 or 4 Lambda functions, okay, that you want to run step by step. Okay, so after completing first Lambda function, you want to run second. Then once the second will be done, you want to run third. Once the third will be done, you want to run fourth. Right? Now you can do it manually. Okay, like you can write code in your Lambda function. So once the function will be over, okay, you can run the second one.